Hi everyone, welcome back to KT Sessions, your one-stop channel for all things automation. First, a big thanks for all the love and support on our tutorials for Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere, and Power Automate Desktop. If you haven't checked them out yet, make sure to explore those playlists. They are packed with insights and hands-on guidance. But today is all about something super exciting. We are starting a brand new playlist, UiPath for beginners. If you are just starting out or curious about what UiPath and automation are, then this playlist is tailor-made for you. Let's get started. Before we talk about UiPath, let's first understand the bigger picture. RPA or Robotic Process Automation. RPA is like a virtual assistant that takes over repetitive and boring tasks on your computer. Imagine having a bot that logs into websites, fills out forms, sends emails, or organizes files for you, all without human intervention. With RPA, businesses can save time, reduce errors, and let employees focus on creative and strategic work. Pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about UiPath. UiPath is one of the most popular tools used for RPA. It's like a magic wand that helps you automate tasks on your computer easily and efficiently. It was launched in 2005. UiPath starting as a small software company. Over the years, it grew into a global leader in RPA, offering powerful tools to automate almost anything. Here is why UiPath is so special. It is user friendly. Even beginners can build automation without needing advanced coding skills. It is versatile. You can automate tasks across different applications like Excel, websites, emails, and even complex softwares. And it is free to start. The community edition of UiPath lets you learn and practice automation for free. In the next video, we are going to install this community edition. So stay tuned. So why do we need UiPath? Well, imagine you are a student and you have to copy hundreds of data points from one spreadsheet to another. Sounds tiring, right? With UiPath, you can create a robot to do this for you. In businesses use UiPath for tasks, data entry, invoice processing, customer service automation, generating report, and sending reports, etc. It's like having an extra pair of hands to get work done faster and more accurately. How is UiPath different from another RPA tools? You might be wondering, there are so many RPA tools, Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere, Power Automate, and how is UiPath different? Here is a quick comparison. UiPath is known for its ease of use and beginner-friendly interface. Blue Prism focuses more on enterprise-grade solutions suitable for big businesses. Automation Anywhere is strong in process discovery and analytics. Power Automate Desktop integrates well with Microsoft products. In short, UiPath is perfect for those who are new to RPA and want to start small but dream big. If you learn UiPath first, then it is very easy for you to learn other RPA tools. This is just the beginning. In the upcoming videos, we'll explore how to install UiPath Community Edition. We're gonna build your first automation workflow. We are going to work on real life use cases like automating emails, Excels, PDFs, and we'll see how can we crack the RPA interviews, how can we get the certification of UiPath and all. So if you are ready to learn, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bells to stay updated. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know what are most excited to automate with UiPath. See you in the next video. Until then, happy automating, guys.